Why are food webs more important than food chains for ecology? Have you ever wondered how energy flows through nature? Today, we will discuss why food webs are more essential than food chains in understanding ecology. First, let's clarify what a food chain is. A food chain is a simple line that shows how energy moves from one organism to another. It starts with producers like plants, which create their own food through photosynthesis. Then it moves to primary consumers, which are herbivores that eat those plants. Next, we have secondary consumers or carnivores that eat the herbivores. Sometimes there are even tertiary or quaternary consumers, which are top predators. This linear model shows a single path of energy flow. Now let's look at food webs. A food web is a network of many food chains. It shows the complex feeding relationships among various species in an ecosystem. For instance, a predator may eat several different species, and a herbivore might consume various plants. This interconnectedness provides a more accurate picture of how energy and nutrients flow. Food webs are important for several reasons. They reflected the complexity and diversity of feeding relationships. This means that species are connected in many ways, not just through a single chain. This complexity helps ecologists understand how ecosystems remain stable. If one species declines, energy can still flow through alternative pathways. Food webs also illustrate how adaptable organisms can be. Species can switch their food sources depending on what is available. This adaptability is vital for survival in changing environments. Another key aspect of food webs is the role of decomposers. Decomposers break down dead matter and recycle nutrients back into the ecosystem. This role is often missing in simple food chains, yet it is essential for nutrient flow. Understanding food webs is also practical. It aids in conservation and management efforts. By revealing how changes to one species can ripple through the ecosystem, ecologists can predict the impact of species loss or environmental changes. In essence, food webs provide a detailed and realistic framework for studying energy and nutrient flow in ecology. They are essential for grasping the complexity of natural ecosystems and how they function. So, the next time you think about how energy moves through nature, remember that food webs give us a clearer picture than food chains ever could.